Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a rear door handle on a Toyota Sequoia. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the exact replacement handle for your specific model. A clean, well-lit area will make the process much smoother and help you keep track of all the small components. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's tackle the door panel. Begin by locating and removing all screws, typically found in the armrest, door pull, and around the edges. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry around the panel's perimeter, releasing the clips. Be gentle to avoid breaking them. Once loose, disconnect any electrical connectors for windows or locks before fully removing the panel and setting it aside safely. With the door panel off, you can access the handle mechanism. First, carefully detach the connecting rods or cables from the old handle. These usually have small plastic clips that need to be released. Next, unscrew the bolts holding the exterior handle in place and remove it. Finally, position the new handle, secure it with the bolts, and reattach the rods or cables, ensuring they operate smoothly. To finish up, reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel. Carefully align the panel with the door frame, pressing firmly to engage all the clips. Reinstall all the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Before fully closing the door, test the new handle multiple times to ensure it opens and closes correctly. Check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.